For the right vehicle, check out the 2018 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power steering, overhead console, rear floor mats. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.